maintaining a healthy diet is essential for a happy and long life. However, with so many options available, it can be challenging to choose the right food that provides all the necessary nutrients. One food that is often overlooked but can offer numerous health benefits is coconut milk. Coconut milk is a white, creamy liquid that is extracted from grated coconut meat. It is a popular ingredient in many cuisines, especially in Southeast Asia and the Caribbean. Coconut milk is an excellent alternative for people who are lactose intolerant or have dietary restrictions, as it is dairy-free and gluten-free. While many people are aware of coconut milk's nutritional value, such as its high fiber content, low calorie count, and high levels of vitamins and minerals, there are also numerous hidden benefits that one may not be aware of. These benefits range from improved digestion to enhanced cardiovascular health and even a boost to the immune system. Therefore, in this video, we will explore the hidden benefits of drinking coconut milk daily. We will discuss its nutritional value and compare it to cow's milk, as well as highlight the various ways in which coconut milk can improve overall health. We will also provide recommendations on how to incorporate coconut milk into your daily diet, and precautions to take into consideration. By the end of this video, you will be equipped with the knowledge to add this nutrient-rich food to your diet and reap the numerous health benefits it has to offer. So, sit back and enjoy as we dive into the world of coconut milk and uncover its hidden benefits. Coconut milk is a creamy, rich liquid extracted from the flesh of mature coconuts. It is a popular ingredient in many cuisines, particularly in Southeast Asia and the Caribbean. Coconut milk is a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. Coconut milk is a nutrient-dense liquid that is packed with essential nutrients. It contains high levels of medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, lauric acid, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Here is a breakdown of the nutritional composition of coconut milk. Fat. Coconut milk is high in fat, with about 93% of the calories coming from fat. However, most of the fat in coconut milk is in the form of MCTs, which are easily metabolized by the body and used as a source of energy. Protein. Coconut milk contains a small amount of protein, with about 2.3 grams per cup. Carbohydrates. Coconut milk contains about 7 grams of carbohydrates per cup. Most of these carbs come from fiber, which makes up about 5 grams per cup. Vitamins and minerals. Coconut milk is a good source of several essential vitamins and minerals, including iron, magnesium, potassium, and vitamin C. 1 cup of coconut milk contains about 30% of the recommended daily intake of iron, 10% of magnesium, 18% of potassium, and 10% of vitamin C. Here's a comparison of the nutritional value of coconut milk and cow's milk. Coconut milk has more fat than cow's milk, with about 5 grams per serving compared to 2.5 grams in cow's milk. Protein. Cow's milk has more protein than coconut milk, with about 8 grams per serving compared to 2.3 grams in coconut milk. Carbohydrates. Cow's milk has more carbohydrates than coconut milk, with about 12 grams per serving compared to 7 grams in coconut milk. Vitamins and minerals. Both coconut milk and cow's milk are good sources of vitamins and minerals, but they differ in their nutrient content. Cow's milk is a good source of calcium, while coconut milk is a good source of iron, magnesium, potassium, and vitamin C. Coconut milk is an excellent source of dietary fiber. 1 cup of coconut milk contains about 5 grams of fiber, which is 20% of the recommended daily intake. Fiber is essential for maintaining good digestive health and preventing digestive disorders like constipation and irritable bowel syndrome. Additionally, fiber can help regulate blood sugar levels, lower cholesterol levels, and reduce the risk of heart disease. The fiber in coconut milk comes from both soluble and insoluble sources, which means it can help keep you feeling full for longer and aid in weight loss efforts. Some of the hidden benefits of drinking coconut milk daily are: 1. Improved digestion. Coconut milk contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which are a type of saturated fat that the body can quickly digest and absorb. These MCTs can help promote gut health by improving digestion and reducing inflammation in the gut. Studies have shown that consuming coconut milk can help treat digestive disorders such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and Crohn's disease. In a study published in the Journal of Parenteral and Enteral Nutrition, researchers found that patients with IBS who consumed a diet containing MCTs experienced significant improvements in their digestive symptoms, including bloating and diarrhea. In addition to improving digestion, coconut milk also contains high amounts of fiber, which can help regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. 2. Weight loss aid. Coconut milk is a great alternative to cow's milk for those looking to lose weight. It has a lower glycemic index than cow's milk, which means that it doesn't cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. This is because coconut milk contains fewer carbohydrates and more healthy fats than cow's milk. Studies have shown that consuming coconut milk can help boost metabolism and promote weight loss. In a study published in the Journal of Nutrition, researchers found that participants who consumed MCTs from coconut oil had a higher metabolic rate and burned more calories than those who consumed long-chain triglycerides, LCTs, found in other types of oils. 3. Boosts immune system. Coconut milk contains lauric acid, a medium-chain fatty acid that has antimicrobial properties. Lauric acid is converted in the body to monolaurin, which has been shown to have antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. Consuming coconut milk can help boost the immune system and protect against infections. In a study published in the Journal of Food Science and Technology, researchers found that coconut milk had a strong inhibitory effect on the growth of harmful bacteria such as Staphylococcus aureus and Salmonella typhimurium. 4. Enhances cardiovascular health. Coconut milk is a rich source of potassium, a mineral that plays an important role in regulating blood pressure and promoting heart health. Studies have shown that consuming potassium-rich foods like coconut milk can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. In addition to potassium, coconut milk contains healthy fats, including medium-chain fatty acids, MCFAs, and omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to improve cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation in the body. Before exploring how to incorporate coconut milk into your diet, it is important to understand the different types of coconut milk available. There are 2 types of coconut milk, thick and thin. Thick coconut milk is made by blending grated coconut with water and then straining the mixture. Thin coconut milk, on the other hand, is made by blending grated coconut with water and then squeezing out the liquid. Thick coconut milk has a higher fat content and is typically used in creamy dishes, while thin coconut milk is used in lighter dishes. Different ways to consume coconut milk. Smoothies and shakes. Coconut milk is a great addition to smoothies and shakes as it adds a creamy texture and subtle sweetness. You can use coconut milk as a base for your smoothies, or simply add a splash to your favorite recipe. Here's a simple recipe to get you started. 1/2 cup coconut milk. 1/2 cup frozen berries. 1/2 banana. 1 tablespoon honey. Blend all ingredients together until smooth and enjoy. Curries and soups. Coconut milk is a staple ingredient in many Asian curries and soups. It adds a rich and creamy texture to the dish while balancing out spicy flavors. Here's a simple recipe for a coconut curry. 1 tablespoon coconut oil. 1 onion, chopped. 2 garlic cloves, minced. 1 tablespoon curry powder. 1 can of chickpeas, drained and rinsed. 1 can of diced tomatoes. 1 can of coconut milk. Salt and pepper to taste. In a large pot, heat coconut oil over medium heat. Add onions and garlic and sauté until soft. Add curry powder and cook for another minute. Add chickpeas, diced tomatoes, and coconut milk. Bring to a boil, reduce heat, and simmer for 10 minutes. Season with salt and pepper to taste and serve over rice. Coffee and tea. Coconut milk can be a great substitute for cream or milk in your morning coffee or tea. It adds a subtle coconut flavor and creamy texture. Here's a simple recipe for a coconut milk latte. 1/2 cup brewed coffee. 1/2 cup coconut milk. 1 tablespoon honey. Dash of cinnamon. In a small pot, heat coconut milk over medium heat. Whisk until it begins to froth. Pour coffee into a mug and add the frothed coconut milk. Add honey and a dash of cinnamon on top and enjoy. Recommended daily intake of coconut milk. It is recommended that adults consume no more than 1 cup of coconut milk per day. While coconut milk is a healthy addition to your diet, it is high in fat and calories, so it's important to consume it in moderation. While drinking coconut milk daily can provide a range of health benefits, there are also some precautions and potential side effects to be aware of. Coconut allergies are rare but can be severe. People who are allergic to coconut may experience symptoms such as hives, swelling, and difficulty breathing. It is important to be aware of this allergy and avoid consuming coconut milk if you are allergic to coconut. While coconut milk is a nutritious and healthy food, it is also high in calories and fat. Consuming excessive amounts of coconut milk can lead to weight gain and increase the risk of heart disease. It is recommended to consume coconut milk in moderation and as part of a balanced diet. Coconut milk contains vitamin K, which can interfere with the effectiveness of blood-thinning medications such as warfarin. If you are taking blood-thinning medications, it is important to consult your doctor before consuming coconut milk or any other food or supplement that contains vitamin K. In addition, coconut milk contains high amounts of potassium, which can interact with certain medications used to treat high blood pressure and kidney problems. If you are taking medications for these conditions, it is important to speak with your doctor before consuming coconut milk regularly. It is also important to note that not all coconut milk products are created equal. Some commercially available coconut milk products may contain added sugars or other additives, which can negate the health benefits of coconut milk. It is important to read labels carefully and choose coconut milk products that are organic and free from additives and preservatives. To recap, drinking coconut milk daily can provide numerous hidden benefits that one may not be aware of. From improved digestion to enhanced cardiovascular health, coconut milk is a versatile and healthy addition to any diet. Coconut milk is rich in nutrients, including fiber, lauric acid, and potassium, making it an excellent choice for those looking to boost their health. Additionally, coconut milk has a low glycemic index, making it a weight loss aid. To incorporate coconut milk into your daily diet, you can try using it in smoothies, shakes, curries, soups, coffee, and tea. It is available in various types, including canned, cartons, and powder, making it easy to find and use. However, it is essential to note that some people may be allergic to coconut, and excessive consumption of coconut milk may lead to side effects such as diarrhea and nausea. It is also essential to consult your doctor if you are taking any medications that may interact with coconut milk. In summary, drinking coconut milk daily is an excellent way to improve your overall health and well-being. As we strive towards a healthier lifestyle, it is essential to make small changes that can have a significant impact in the long run. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please like and subscribe to our channel, Healthy Lifestyle Tips, for more health and wellness content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.